Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you my literal 2-minute makeup look. This is perfect for if you just want to be out the door quickly, or if you're just not particularly into spending a lot of time being creative with your makeup and you literally just want products that do the job. I've got a couple of multi-use products in here as well, so I am just going to get straight into this. I'm going to start with brows. I feel like my brow routine, if you watch me regularly, you'll know it by now. I use the Glossier Brow Flick in the shade Brown through the front of my brow, and I literally just fill in any sparse areas. I kind of use this all the way through my brow, to be honest. I fill in any sparse areas and give my brow just a little bit of definition, and then I go through the arch where I do have quite a sparse area with the shade Black, and I just do a couple of strokes, and then I set my brows in place using the Il Makiage Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper, and this has got a little bit of colour in it as well, so it just helps to fill out your brows a bit, and it's really easy to get a bushy brow look using this. It really holds your brow hairs in place, and I use the shade Espresso. Okay, moving on to my face, I'm using my IT Cosmetics CC Cream, the illumination version. This so far is looking very, very like my everyday makeup tutorial that I recently did. Trust me, there are a couple of different products that I'm using, and I am doing things a bit differently. So I'm just using half a pump of this, and I love this because, like I mentioned before, it's got loads of skincare benefits. It's got SPF 50 in, and it really, really evens out your skin tone, but it's so light on your skin, but you can build it up. And I like the illumination version because it just gives you a bit of a glow, which I need. My period's due. I feel dull, like my skin is just not living life today, but hey. So I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I like to apply just a little bit of this underneath my eyes and on any blemishes and redness. And obviously you don't need a beauty blender to blend these out. You can literally do this whole makeup look with your fingers if you want to. So I've really been enjoying using some Trini London products recently. A lot of these are multi-use and they are stackable, which is amazing for traveling, or if you just want to take your makeup out and about with you. I absolutely love these. They literally just kind of click on top of each other, super easy. So I've been enjoying using their Golden Glow, which is their bronzer in the shade Suala. I just put a little bit on my finger. This is amazing. It's so pigmented and it blends out like a dream. I absolutely love it, and it just warms my complexion up while giving my face a little bit of shape, which is fabulous. I put a little bit on my forehead just to kind of bronze my face up a little bit. I bring a little bit kind of over my nose, but I do place it quite high, and I bring it into where I placed it on the cheeks, and I just feel like that makes it look sort of more naturally sun-kissed. And then I like to add a little bit of definition into the crease of my eye with this as well. I kind of wing it out so that it joins my bronzer on my face. That just kind of elongates my eye, and it also ties it in with the rest of the bronzer. I just feel like it makes it look more natural. Next, I'm going to use the Lip to Cheek in the shade Phoebe. Oh, I love this shade. It's such a gorgeous berry colour. Wow, you really don't need a lot of this, you know. Like, all of these products are so pigmented. So I'm going to apply the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Under Over Lip Liner in the shade On Point, and I'm going to use the Trini London Lip Glow in the shade Cordy. I love, love, love this so much. It's so hydrating, but it just adds such like a natural sheen to your lips with a little bit of a tint, and it smells like watermelon. Ugh, I love it. How nice is that colour? And I also love applying this to my cheeks as kind of like a little bit of extra blush, but also as a highlighter. So I do like to apply it quite high, and I am a massive blush fan. I mean, this product is not designed to be used on your cheeks, but I just absolutely love it for that. It just gives you the most gorgeous natural glow. I love using it as a highlight. So I'm gonna use the Eye to Eye in the shade Hope. This is just such a kind of lovely natural colour with a slight rose gold tint. I really, really like it. I just put a little bit on and it just kind of brightens my eyes up a bit. So if you've got dry skin, you might not want to apply powder, but I'm going to apply a little bit of the Too Faced Born This Way translucent setting powder, just because your girl gets oily throughout the day, and I really do just apply the tiniest amount because I do want to keep all of the glow that we've added. One step that I absolutely have to do, it's just the tiniest little step but it makes all the difference, is I use a brown eye pencil. This one is Coffee by MAC, and I wing it out like that just slightly and I bring it down into the lash line, and that is it. It takes seconds, but it elongates my eye and it thickens my lashes up. And for mascara, I mentioned this in my last video, I've really been enjoying using the Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara. It's got such a weird wand. It's only got a comb on one side of it and then the other side has bristles just at the end, but I really, really love what this does for my lashes. It's just amazing. It grips them so well, and then you can kind of use this bristled tip to pull the product through your lashes. And this is my 2-minute makeup. I know that I took longer than 2 minutes to film this just because I've been talking through all the products, but honestly guys, when I'm doing this makeup and I'm not filming it, I can do it like that, and it's just so quick and easy. I love using cream products, not only in summer but in winter, like all year round, especially in winter actually, because they just make your skin look so much more radiant. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Leave me a comment and let me know if you did, and give it a cheeky little thumbs up for good measure as well, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!